Hi there, this is Sofian, and today we are trying to connect Claude and Webflow through the MCP server. You will see it's not very complicated, and I will try to do it in less than 5 minutes. So let's go. First, there will be some requisites. They are not very complicated. First, of course, you will need a Webflow account, otherwise it doesn't work. Plus, you will need a Claude account. You can get the free one, no worries, it will work just as fine. Finally, you will need to download the Claude app. I will also put a link in the video below so that you can just directly access it. Once you've done that, then we can move on to the next step. And the first step is to get your Webflow API token. For that, it's quite simple. Actually, Webflow has a website and you can easily get it. When you go on that website, you get on Get Authorization Info and you can just click Login. Once you arrive there, you arrive on the Webflow interface and you can choose your workspace. So in my case, I choose my personal workspace and I authorize the app. Once I've done it, then you will have already 3 different tabs. I will recommend you to go TypeScript, but it really doesn't matter because what you want is just to get the token, which is a long suite of numbers. I just take it, copy it in my clipboard, and I'm done for the first step. The second step is to set up the Claude app. So for that, I will go back here, I will open my Claude, and here what I want to do is to go on the top left and go to the settings. You can also access the settings from the app, but you won't have the developer mode, which is a very important tab that we are looking at. Once you're there, you just click on Edit Config, and as you can see, I can open the Claude Desktop Config JSON. I will click on that, and here I will have to copy paste another code from the Webflow documentation. So also you will have that link here. I just copy, paste it, so up, and as you can see now I have to paste my API token. So in my case, it's already in my clipboard. I just copy paste it, save it, and close it. So now we are done for that. Now what I have to do is to quit and reopen my Claude app. Here it is. And I don't see its settings. Now I see it. It's running. The configuration is working. So now I should see it if I open a new chat. As you can see, now I have 21 MCP tools available and I can start to chat with Webflow. So how does it work? It works like what is the list of my Webflow sites. And I will allow for this chat. And now what's happening is Claude is connecting to the Webflow API and just gets the text in return. So as you can see, now I have the whole list of all the websites I'm working on. There are mostly 4 websites, but this is just a list. And now, as you can imagine, I can just question and interact with my Webflow websites, not just my sites, but also the content on my sites, the content on my CMS, and everything I want directly from that chat, which is pretty awesome. So we are done for today. It's less than 4 minutes, so I need to update my titles. Cheers, and talk to you soon.